First, we'll open the glove box. Now you notice there is one pointer on the right side right there, and there's one on the left side. We actually need to pull out both of them. There we got the pointer pulled out from left side. The right side seemed a little more stiff, so I had to use both hands to pull it out. There we got both sides pulled out just like that. And once we got both of these sides pulled down, now we'll go ahead and take out this damper right here. There we got the damper pulled out. Notice this pointer is stuck on that edge right there. So we'll grab the glove box and then slide it downwards. This is how it looks like behind the glove box. We'll need to pull this cover outwards. What we'll do is we'll grab it from here and then pull it outwards. Cover is pulled out, and right there is our cabin air filter. I would recommend grabbing it from here and then pulling it outwards. That is how we take out the filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure there is an arrow at the front. It should stay at the front end pointing towards downwards. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left side portion first and then punch in the right side. Once both sides in, then we just slide it all the way down. We got the filter in position. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Notice the right side of the cover has these two tabs. These two tabs are supposed to be slided in right there. There it is, it's slided in just like that. Now we are good to push the left side portion as well. Notice this is the tricky part here. What you'll have to do is lift it upside like this and then make sure from behind the tab sits completely in. In my case, I had to try multiple times until I was able to completely get it in position. There we got the cover completely in, and it's also not coming out. We got the complete cover in position. Now we will grab the glove box and then make sure that this tab right here with the other tab right there, both of them are slided upwards with their respective position. There it is, both of them are completely in. Now it's time to punch in the damper. We'll have to punch in our fingers a little inside the glove box to grab the damper first, and then carefully we'll have to position it back where we took it out from earlier. There we got the damper in position as well. Now we are good to close the glove box. And with that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.